Hi there, welcome back. In this video, we'll be covering how to connect your Google Analytics to your Bumper website. And the major advantages to doing that is to be able to see exactly where your visitors are coming from. You can track whether people find your website through ads, Google search, socials, referrals, or direct visits, right? And you can also understand what people do on your website. You can see which pages they visit, how long they stayed, and when they drop off, and which actions they take as well. And we can also measure what is driving results. You can track purchases, checkouts initiated, add to carts, and be able to measure how exactly all these key actions are driving results and the campaigns and pages that are working very well. And here's how to do that. You come down to the operations and navigate towards connected apps. And as you see here, Google Analytics is not connected yet. So we'll go to pick up the code to connect the Google Analytics. So you search for Google Analytics in your Google search bar, then click on Google Analytics. Then it should navigate you towards creating an account. And you can name your account your website's name. Then click on next. You write the name can as well be the same as the account name. This property name can as well be the name of your brand as well. Whatever you name it, it's still going to show. So it's just how you want to identify it. United States here, you change that to Nigeria. And you change this to Naira. And you click on next. You can pick your industry right here, where be it beauty, be it computer and electronics, or health. Then you pick your business size, whether it's 1 to 10. Then click on next. What you want to do is click on drive sales, understand web traffic, and this. So click on create. You accept this. Then click on web right here. Then you add in the name of the website. So then we set up a data stream and we create and continue. It automatically pops up itself. So you copy this code. As you can see, install manually. You copy this code. Now you navigate back towards your Bumper dashboard in the connected apps section. Then click on connect. And you Control A. You paste this in. Then you connect to Google Analytics. Continue. That's a success. That's how you connect your Google Analytics to your Bumper website. Hope this was helpful. Thank you very much and have a good day. Bye bye.